Imagine a behemoth with a mass dozens of times that of the Sun. What would happen if it was compressed into the size of a city? A black hole is such a terrifying celestial body in the universe. The gravity of these two terrible celestial bodies is very strong, so powerful that it forms a world. Even light cannot escape after entering this gravitational range. This is a true cosmic prison. Any intruder will be imprisoned forever. The horror of a black hole lies in its absolute silence. Against the dark space background, you simply can't spot it directly with the naked eye, unless it creates an accretion disk when swallowing matter, or a star is orbiting. The movement of an invisible gravitational source. Only then can you find his traces. If a star unfortunately gets too close, the tidal force of the black hole will slowly peel the star away. A hot accretion disk forms around the black hole. The material in this disk will rotate at nearly the speed of light, can be heated to millions of degrees due to severe friction, and emits deadly X-rays and gamma rays. Any life is light years away will be exterminated by these high-energy radiations. Astronomer of the year 2018. Such a tidal-tearing event of a star captured for the first time. A star with the mass of the Sun. It emitted intense radiation that lasted for weeks before being swallowed by the black hole. That's the dying cry of a star. However, although black holes are the terminators of stars, they are also born from stars. Stars, the messengers of light in the universe, do not exist forever. Their life is one. The long tug-of-war between gravity and nuclear fusion. In stellar pride, the core turns stars into seas, release huge energy to resist the ruthless squeeze of its own gravity. Typically lower mass stellar cores. The interior will only fuse to the point where it will stop. However, for quality exceeding a massive star 30 times the size of the Sun, this death process was particularly tragic. There will be a huge change within them, layer upon layer. They will go from hydrogen to helium, to carbon and oxygen until iron is formed. And iron is the terminal station of stellar nuclear fusion. Because iron fusion does not release energy. Instead, it absorbs energy. At this moment, the gravitational balance of the star will be broken. The core will collapse rapidly within 1/10 of a second, triggering an earth-shattering backlash. A supernova explosion that shook the universe ensued, and violently throws the outer material of the star towards him. After the explosion, an extremely dense core will be left behind. Usually the core mass is at least 1.4 times that of the Sun. It will form a neutron star. If the mass of this core exceeds 3.2 times that of the Sun. So even if the neutron degeneracy pressure, nor can it withstand the crushing force of gravity, the core will inevitably continue to collapse, until all his mass compressed to an infinitesimal point. The most terrifying celestial body in the ultimate universe. This black hole was born. This kind of black hole is called a stellar black hole. But there is another kind of black hole in the universe. That's a supermassive black hole. Supermassive black holes are located at the centers of galaxies. Masses up to millions or even billions of times that of the Sun. And there is such a huge beast at the center of our galaxy. The mass is 4 million times that of the Sun. It's like the heart of the galaxy. Affects the evolution of the entire galaxy. But so far, on the origin of supermassive black holes, remains one of the greatest mysteries of modern astrophysics. Some scientists speculate that it may be from the direct collapse of a giant gas cloud. However, there is currently no definite evidence to support these issues. There is no definite evidence to support it so far.